making a protein hot chocolate, something a little warmer for the winter months. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way cacao powder, and I've got the Happy Way triple choc fudge vegan protein powder. However, the choc pea protein or vanilla protein will also work great. Got a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten. Any sweetener will do. I've also got some coconut milk. However, any other plant-based milk will also work great. So what I've done is simply heated the milk in the microwave. However, you can heat it on the stove top as well. And then I'm going to be adding it to the blender, adding all the other ingredients in there too, blending it until it's nice and smooth and frothy, and then pouring it into a mug and topping it with some vegan whipped cream to serve.